I haven't heard of teaching in like in a university, but I do know that they teach graffiti in the Museum of Graffiti.
Okay.
And so they have like classes for young kids, you know, and also maybe for older kids where you can go outside or anyone can go outside and they have like a wall set up where you practice or they teach them certain forms and they'll break down the different styles of like if it's mechanical's kind of like or it's kind of like straight and like little pointy, a little bit pointy on some edges, and or if it's kind of like a wild style was very intricate and or simply just simple readable pieces. There's a whole format that you kind of follow while you're in the class.